PDFs are not just for reading or sharing documents. They can also be interactive forms that make collecting information faster and easier. In this video, we'll explain what PDF forms are, how they work, and why they're so useful for students, professionals, and businesses alike. So, what exactly is a PDF form? Simply put, a PDF form is a document that allows users to fill in information directly on the file. This could include text fields, checkboxes, radio buttons, drop-down menus, or even digital signatures. Unlike static PDFs, interactive forms let recipients type, select, or sign without printing anything, making them ideal for surveys, applications, registrations, or feedback forms. One of the main benefits of PDF forms is efficiency. You can distribute a single form to multiple people via email or cloud sharing, and they can fill it out and return it digitally. This eliminates the need for printing, scanning, or mailing physical documents. For businesses, schools, or organizations, this saves time, reduces paper use, and simplifies record keeping. Another great feature is automation. Some PDF forms can include calculations, conditional logic, or pre-filled fields. For example, an invoice form can automatically calculate totals, a registration form can adjust questions based on previous answers, and feedback forms can organize responses neatly. These features reduce errors and make data collection more accurate. PDF forms are also secure and professional. You can password protect the form, restrict editing, or add digital signatures to ensure authenticity. This is especially important for contracts, consent forms, or confidential applications. Using PDF forms ensures your documents look polished and remain protected while being easy to complete. Creating a PDF form is easier than you might think. Most PDF editors let you start from scratch or convert existing documents into fillable forms. You can add text fields, checkboxes, radio buttons, and even signature areas. Once your form is ready, you can distribute it digitally and collect responses efficiently. Finally, tracking and managing responses is simple with PDF forms. Responses can be saved individually, compiled into a spreadsheet, or exported for analysis. This makes it easy to handle large volumes of submissions, whether it's for student assignments, client feedback, or employee records. In summary, PDF forms are interactive, efficient, and secure tools for collecting information digitally. By using text fields, checkboxes, drop-down menus, and digital signatures, you can save time, reduce errors, and make your workflow much more organized and professional. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss more tips and tutorials on making the most of PDFs and digital documents.